Today we will be reading the story called How Do You Know It's Spring? By Lisa M. Harrington. Before we read, let's look at the cover of our book. I see a girl holding flowers. What do you see? Let's make some predictions about our story. What season do you think our story will be about? Winter, fall, or spring? I think the story will be about spring. I see flowers, and the title of our story had the word spring in it. How do you think we can tell it's spring? By seeing pumpkins outside? By seeing flowers outside? Or seeing snow? Let's read our story to find out. Welcome, spring. Flowers bloom, birds chirp and sing, kites blow in the wind. That is how we know it is spring. This girl is holding flowers. It is spring. There are 4 seasons in each year. Each season lasts about 3 months. Spring is the season that comes after winter. This picture shows spring. It is spring. What's the weather? In spring, the air gets warmer. The days are longer. That means it stays light in the evening for a longer time. The warm weather melts winter snow and ice. Some spring days are sunny. Others are windy. We are ready to put our winter clothes away. Spring is in the air. It is spring. Grab your raincoat and umbrella. Spring brings the pitter-patter of rain. It also brings the roar of thunderstorms. It is raining. The warm, wet weather helps plants grow. Flowers pop up. New grass sprouts. Farmers plant their crops. It is spring. Buds form on trees. They open into leaves and flowers. These buds will be turning into flowers. It is spring. Animals are busy in spring. Bears and other animals awake from hibernation, their long winter sleep. These bears are waking up. They are ready for spring. Many birds migrate back from their warm winter homes. They build nests. They lay eggs and wait for babies to hatch. They bring their chicks food to eat. It is spring. Baby animals are born in spring. Bunnies scamper in the woods. Fuzzy ducklings splash in a pond. The baby animals will grow big and strong. In spring, we plant seeds in gardens. They will grow into vegetables and flowers. What are they planting? They are planting seeds. It is spring. We spend more time outdoors. We ride our bikes, and we have fun at the park. It is spring. We play tennis and soccer. What is your favorite thing to do in spring?